Okay, HAMSTER KOMBAT have updated their app and they have added this new feature in it to connect your Tone wallet to your HAMSTER KOMBAT. So first of all, you come to your AirDrop and you click on connect your Tone wallet, and later you go and join their Telegram channel. So it goes like you click on connect your Tone wallet, connect Tone wallet, and select Tone wallet. Make sure you have already got the Tone wallet application in your phone installed. You created an account already, so you can be able to connect yours. Now I can connect mine. I use my fingerprint for the verification. As you can see, it's done and it has connected success. See that? So that's how you're going to connect your Tone wallet to your HAMSTER KOMBAT. Then you join their Telegram channel. As you can see, I've already joined the Telegram channel. Then I'll go and click check. Everything success. See that? So I'm set for the airdrop that's coming. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.